Start na.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. So, I have a few questions, sir. So this is question first. In recruitment and retention, how does your recruitment process ensure a diverse candidate pool?
As I have said, no, we do not distinguish, no, cultures or ethnicities when they apply here. So although it's part of the resume or biodata, no, so there's a part there that asks for your religion, but of course it's different, no? It's religion, okay? So, but in the biodata or in any documents that we have here for recruitment, so we do not distinguish whether they come from Pagobo or Ata or Maguindanao. No? So it's all right to us, no? So we cater all of them, okay? So it will just be realized later on, no? During the training, because during the training they will introduce themselves also. So when we have our training, as I have said, because we don't want to distinguish, no, or to discriminate them. That's why our training is also set for everybody, no, not only for a particular group.
In training and development, sir, what type of training or develop program goes to the company of offer to enhance cultural awareness and inclusions?
It's a general training, not for particular group. So, like for example, the orientation for new employees. Okay. So we do not mention about their culture. We do not mention about their ethnicity or their group. So it's for everybody.
In measuring success and impact, how do you measure the success of your diversity and inclusion initiatives?
Okay. We have here, as I have said a while ago, we have here, for example, the security guards. Although they are not directly employed by us, they are from the agency. But actually, we do not ban, no, anyone or any group, no, to join us. That's why 80% of our security personnel are comes from the Muslim group, no, Maguindanao, Maranao, Tausug. So, meaning to say, we were able to identify who are these people. So by identifying who are these people, actually that could help also, no, us, no, to come up with a training if there is a need. No? But as of now, as I have said, there is no need because they're already integrated.
Thank you, sir.